Welcome back, broskies and sisters, to another reaction video. I remain your boy. I've never actually made the intro like that before. I don't know why I said that. But now, yes, we have another video. We have another Nigerian TikTok comedy video to react to. And if this is your first time seeing this channel, let me officially welcome you to the gang, to the family. If you want to be just, relax, chill. Over here, we just chill, vibe, check out some funny TikTok comedy videos. So if you want to be part of the gang, part of the family, you know what to do. Without wasting no time, let's get straight into the video, bruh. There is a name so sweet. Oh, you can never go wrong with fried chicken. Hey! Fried chicken.
God have mercy upon us.
No. This is not possible. Oh! No, now who took my chicken? Who took my chicken? Who took my chicken? This is why I hate this face me and face you compound. Who took my chicken?
Nobody wants to talk, Abby. Nobody wants to talk in this compound, Abby. Where's my cutlass?
If he comes out now, they would think he's the one. Wait, so where is your cutlass and you left the chicken outside? Take the chicken inside.
What it be this? Hey!
You're the one stealing my
The Lord has done it. Finally. The Lord has done it.
It is very shameful for you to accept that.
That was not how I expected the event to turn out. I just went from a 0 to 100 real quick.
This man!
Learn to mind your business, I guess. Learn to mind your business, I guess. Okay.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
If someone stared at me like that, I would just start laughing. I swear, I would bust out laughing. That's just me, bro. That's funny, bro.
Guy, what the fuck now? Calm down. Shall I get what you know?
Babe, just breathe.
Just breathe. Without the smoke, make I breathe.
Calm down. I told you my friend is coming back from the UK now. And besides, I told her you're very wealthy. So you need to look and act it.
I'm wealthy.
Very wealthy.
With a stupid very.
She's coming.
Wealthy in Jesus' name.
Hi, Mom. Hi, baby.
No drama.
Oh my! You both noted that?
I wouldn't do that.
We do that. He's just shy in public.
Why most double dates be like that, though? Have I ever had a double date? I mean, I've gone out with friends and acquaintances, but it wasn't like a double date thing, nah. But yeah, I don't think I will ever have a double date. I kind of like like a mean thing. If it's a mean thing, it should be a mean thing, So, but yeah, double date ain't really nah.
I'm shy in public, Being a lizard outside sometimes is crazy.
He's just joking.
Very funny guy.
And congratulations. She informed me that you won a contract of $3 million.
$3 million.
Oh, we're so excited.
Are you playing? $3 million.
We're excited.
Yeah, excited.
$3 million.
Sometimes I close too much deals. I don't even know $3 million. That's small.
I also just closed the deal of $5 million.
Oh.
Is it a thief?
No WhatsApp.
He's joking again.
I'm joking. Wow, I'm joking.
Baby,
Is she okay?
I've told you not to do that when we're out. It's so naughty.
Naughty.
You get it?
Oh, I'm wearing a vibrator. So he presses it when we're out. So risky.
So risky. See, let me say we are nothing more than you. Do you see my baby here? She's wearing 2 vibrators. 2. So if one battery have died like this, I'll switch to the other one. Oh, so risky. Well, let me just press it. What the this? It's China made.
This is from the UK.
From the UK.
Baby, hand it over. Let him try it.
I should try it. You're so naughty.
So naughty.
This is sweet. I like this. I prefer the UK one to the China one.
Bro, what?
So waiting. Yeah.
Oh, they'll handle it.
Oh shit.
If you like saying on the face.
Who want to wait? Bye. See y'all later.
I see you later.
You don't know.
Wait for me, wait.
You should have stayed now.
Baby.
You should have stayed.
Oh shit.
Papa, me now.
Yeah, nah, that's wild, bro.
Actually, I never believed I would still fall in love with another man, even after getting married. But you are this dark-skinned guy, and your own dark is different, and it busts my brain.
Your dark is darking.
I can do anything for you. Name it money, cars, and so on. All I just want from you is love. And excuse me. Okay. Hello, Jessica. I've told you before. My husband trades his cryptocurrencies with JetTech Trade. They are the most reliable trading platform. They are fast, reliable, and trusted. Just go to their website at www.jettechtrade.com or you download their app, JetTech Trade. Yes, they trade both Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. Okay, bye. Please, I'm so sorry. As I was saying, I love you so. Please, I'm coming. Okay.
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
Husband, I need to hide you.
I do.
My husband
I'm
is
your
hot
chick.
temper. He will kill you. I need to hide you right now.
I'm your chief.
You say tell the boys I'm mumu. Tell the boys now I'm mumu. You be mumu. You think say they wise?
Best place was to hide behind the chair or the couch.
Yes, baby. Open the door. Yeah. Surprise!
Did he
How you
know?
running away?
He knew.
You told me you like dogs, right? So I bought a very good dog for you.
But this one is too big. I like it. This one.
No, it's not like it's too big. You know, the owner said the dog will get to know us as time goes on. Do you understand? So I bought it for you. You can touch it.
No, I don't want that.
He did not buy it for her. I swear he did not buy it for her. He knew. How are you just gonna go in there and buy a big old dog and say he will get to know us as time goes on? Nah. You knew, bro.
Okay, now listen, I have another surprise for you. I want you and I to go out and have something to eat.
He knew.
You can kill the dog outside.
You don't have to disobey your man, right? I am your husband, right? So you do what I say, right? So let's go.
Sweetheart, my honey, please.
So I'm going to leave the dog in the sitting room while we go have something to eat, right? Yeah.
You're dead. You're dead meat.
Blood of. It is very shameful for you to accept.
Damn.
What about that your home babe?
Babe, where are you now?
Yeah, baby, see me here.
Babe!
Come this side. That's my girlfriend. See me here.
Don't break up.
I've been looking for you.
No, see me here. So what are you saying?
Who is she?
What?
I don't understand.
Who is this here with you? Who is she?
No, that's crazy.
No, nah. That's my friend.
Which of your friends? This is not your friend now. This is a girl.
What?
So this is how you have been cheating on me. Now I've caught you with a girl and you are saying you are still denying
God
it.
have mercy upon us.
What are you talking about?
So this is what you have been doing since Awia. This is what you have been doing.
No, I'm not.
Shut up, you say anything again now, I'll slap you. Nonsense. Boyfriend snatcher. This is how you guys snatch somebody's boyfriend.
It is smoky.
What just happened, bro? I have no idea what just happened. Nah, that's crazy, bro.
Now, I won't make you dodge this stick to the count of 25. But for the first 10 counts, you go open your eyes. After that, you go close and the count them. If the stick touch you, you don't fail. But if you don't touch you, I go transfer 10K for you here and now. You dey ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
So, I mean, it's like, the case of a he-goat.
Close your eye, close your
The family
eye.
is happy, they sacrifice
Close
the
your eye.
he-goat
Close your eye.
to celebrate. When the child is ill, the native doctor says sacrifice he-goat so that the child will be well. So, head or tail, the he-goat is in trouble.
Well, that's actually a motorway. That's a street. People think she's mad, bro. And that's a street. How you gonna close your eyes? What if a car is coming, bro? What is you doing?
God not allow them.
That's mad. Damn.
What kind of rubbish is this?
Hello, pretty.
Good day.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine.
She's the auntie.
Okay. Seems you're feeling it.
Yes, I'm stranded at the same time.
Hell. So sorry about that. Okay. I can help you out with Hanky.
Hanky, thank you so much. But which one are you going to use?
No. It's not a problem. I have a couple of it at Oh, come on, tell me it's a prank. Sugar.
Nigeria is not
Where is the hanky? Chai. Does he have sweat on it? Chai. Now your barrenness is gone.
Thank you, Baba.
The owner of this hanky will run mad till eternity. Till the day he or she die.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you so much.
That's crazy. For eternity is wild. For eternity is mad. So that means even when he dies, wherever he will be, he will continue being mad.
It is very shameful for you to accept that.
Okay.
So like I was saying, statistics have shown that the increase in fuel price as well as shortage in power supply is the leading cause of...
Please tell us what we're looking at for your project submission.
So what I've invented for the purpose of submission is an electric generator. This is a generator that does not need fuel for it to supply power.
So basically you invented an inverter?
No sir, the innovation here is that you don't need to charge this generator for it to supply power. All you need to do is plug it to lights for it to generate.
Okay, so but how does it generate electricity when there's no light?
This generator does not use fuel, so there has to be power supply for it to generate
power. So without power, it's powerless.
Now that we know what's going on, Dr. Igwe, would you like to start the skit?
Yes.
Yes.
What state are you from? Osun State, Osogbo, man.
Your people are following you.
Sorry, man.
They are not following him, Dr. Igwe. They are subscribed with post notification. Because if that's not the case, explain why you are submitting an electric generator in the presence of an external supervisor. Mr. Mahmood.
Yes, Prof.
This boy has ruined my mood.
Who is your supervisor? Dr. Tanimowo.
Mr. Tanimowo.
Yes, sir, Mr. Tanimowo.
Mr. Tanimowo tell you anything go. And he approve of this nonsense. Hello? Hello?
Hello, sir, I can hear you. Network is good.
There is no network in your head. Yes, but I'm trying to explain, but you've been attacking me. Listen, young man, we attacked the project. That's why it's called a project defense.
Even the defense is Man U level defense.
Mr. Mahmood, sir, you have ruined the mood. Mr. Mahmood, please consume the malt and digestive that we gave you.
Okay, man.
Thank you.
Don't say nothing bad about Manchester United, bro. I never do that.
But I just felt.
Don't say nothing about Man United, man.
For example, this project. What level are you, this man? This is my final project, sir. Final year. Happy birthday. Why, sir? Because Omolodu, you will do many more years in this institution. Park businesses are called the next student aside. Okay, sir.
So he invented an electric generator that needs power supply. That's crazy. At least he did something.
It's more cleverly on the beat.
Madam Cash!
One time, one shot.
Madam Cash! Sis, I don't know you now. Customer!
You don't kill. See your week, see as we find. You don't change me.
Fine woman.
Madam aggression.
Let me do one cold trophy. As usual now. Do fast. Madam Cash! Hey! Who keep this big bros for you? People go just like to the wasting sha.
You have
You be mumu.
people that do this type of things deserve whatever happens to them after doing something like this. They deserve it. Whatever's gonna happen to her. If anything will happen to her. But what the hell was that bet?
I'm just gonna go away. Just
So, ma, you never still carry that bottle go throw away. That bottle be say that madman you stay drink.
Oh, you mean that mama we get tuberculosis?
We still get HIV too, join. Carry and go throw away.
Tuberculosis, dude. That's crazy.
Think say they wise. You are a mumu man.
Just do this one to wash you down. That's the only thing you can do.
my son! Mommy, longest time, ma! I'm fine, ma. I've been good. How have you been? Hey, your daughter-in-law now. The Lord has done it again. Finally, I told you, mommy.
Oh, you might get cooking sorrow. She doesn't talk.
She can talk. I've not programmed her yet, ma.
Program.
Program. Let me show you, mommy. Jajolita, activate.
Hello, ma.
Yes, mommy. She tell you hello, ma. Did you see? Yes, you like it, right?
Is that the greeting? Is that what she?
No, she can greet you properly. Let me activate that one. Greetings. Aha.
Kindly choose your preferable language. English, Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo.
Mommy, tell her Yoruba. Tell her Yoruba now. She will tell you.
Yoruba.
Ekaroma. Yes.
Ekaroma. Ekaroma.
She's greeting you.
Ekaroma.
That's it, mommy. She's greeting you now.
Check, I don't stop. No, I don't stop.
She can stop.
Ekaroma.
Baby
Yes, my son.
Can I have a puppy?
Oh, you want a puppy?
No.
Hello, where are you?
Broken. Sad. My childhood purposeless.
Just because
I never imagined that my mom
Who said no?
say no to such a request from my baby boy. A child she claims she loves. Since the day she told me no, I never remained the same. Will I ever forgive? Maybe. But will I ever forget? This pain followed me everywhere. And I said to myself, I must do my own back. I had to wait for the right time to strike.
My son just graduated, oh, my small boy of yesterday. I've always known that he will make it.
My graduation? No.
Even when he became an adult, bro, he didn't let it go. He got married.
My wedding? No.
No.
I waited for years.
That has to be the longest grudge ever.
Then the day finally came.
Son, you've been married for over 15 years. Won't you give me a grandchild?
All my enemies are amateurs.
Finally.
Broke his character. And all my
No.
I ain't got my mother.
First to do,
He got his leg
thing. Second to do, the eye.
So this is the reason you still don't want us to have a child.
He got his lick back.
You're so childish.
If not you, your mama tell you no when you small, you go like her.
I'm so childish.
And so it began. My wife called me childish. Destiny.
So there's a part 2. I want to see the part 2 to that one. That's crazy. Damn. He holds grudges forever. Hey, that's the end of the video, man. Damn. I'm tired as hell. It was fun making this video. I hope you all liked it. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope I'll see you guys on the next video. So peace out. Bye.